we are in the third lesson of Ghibli design instruction. We continue our previous lesson. We in the curve part in the second floor, and now we have in the third floor. Okay, we started the lesson. In the first, we have this icon curve continuum. That means we draw the curves. And we finish this curve, but I want to continue this curve. I go to the third floor and then click on this icon, curve, right curve continue, left curve R, curve. Okay, I click on that, start the curves. Okay, where you want to continue, right click and click on your last curve. Okay, you can continue. Okay, and the next icon, this icon is continue control point curves. You click on it and then click on your curves, and you can continue look like previous icon but with a control point. Okay, you can continue. The next is the extract angle is a curve. You can extract the is a curve but with the angle you want. For example, we have a surface, we draw a surface. Okay, click on this surface and then click on this icon in a curve part, third floor, and extract angle is a curve. Okay, when clicking on that, you can extract the angle with a zero angle. I change it to 80 angle. Okay, you see. Yes, when I clicking left clicking, we extract the isocurve with the 80 angle. We can change it to 40. Okay, 40. Okay, the next is not very important, and the next is sketch. When clicking on that, we can drawing everything you want. Look like you are sketching or drawing with a pencil on a paper, and then you finish your line. The matrix smooths your curves on your drawing. The next is look like that, look like the sketch but on the surface. And the surface, we have a surface, and then click on this sketch on the surface, and now we have our sketch on the surface. Okay, and the next is sketch to mesh. In the future, I told to you what is the mesh. When you meshing your project look like that solid project, you converting to the other format when you want to exporting to other file to printing. You can drawing on this object in mesh form by this icon, sketch and mesh. Okay, and polygon and a surface. We have a surface and we can drawing curve with this icon, polyline, polyline on surface. In our surface, I clicking on that and clicking on polyline on surface, and we can drawing the line. This is interpret curve on surface. Okay, this is a smooth curve on surface. Yes, the curve is just have a sharp and line. Okay. Curve to line. Select the curve to convert to arc or polyline. Okay, we draw a curve. For example, draw this, and then clicking on this icon, curves to line. Select the curves to convert to arc or line. Okay. You can changing the setting. For example, under tolerance 90. Okay, not very important. and not useful. I told you useful icons to you. Section, this is look like the curve on surface section, yeah. And not important, this is look like the Sihote, look like our icon in previous lesson, duplicate edge. Yes, is look like a duplicate edge, but this extract wireframe extract all wireframe curves in your surface. Can I say a little different? Yes, extract all wireframe in our surface with the extract wireframe. Okay, with this the next icon, with this icon, soft edit, you for example draw a curve look like that, a smooth or sharp curve. Click on it and then click the soft, or choose the soft edit. Okay, and you pick everywhere of your curves and then changing your curves very softly. You can see that, and the other is not very useful. Okay, we finished the third floor of the curve part, and the next lesson about surface, about the surface, and we told you a useful icon in surface part.